this driver is operating the mule using a remote control. At first, I was looking for him, wondering who's operating the mule because I didn't see anybody on it. And then I realized he's actually using a remote control to maneuver it around. Now you can see him jumping on the mule and guiding that shed into our property. Very, very exciting to watch. Alright, we have reached the end of the driveway. They're going to maneuver this shed into the clearing that we prepared for it.